know that YouTube creates subtitles and closed captioning that you can add to your videos? I'm Lay with LaySheidel.com, and I want to take you through a short tutorial that can show you how you can utilize YouTube to create subtitling or closed captioning on your videos. I'm going to take you over to my page, to the page here so that my screen so you can see. And I will take you to my YouTube channel. Okay, when I come to my YouTube channel on my home page, this is where I arrive. If I click on this Creator Studio off here to the right, this button, or if I don't see one here, you can click your icon up here. It'll either be your image or the first initial of the name that you use to log in. If you'll click on that, it brings up an entire menu. And if you drop down to the settings, the first thing we want to do is go over and make sure that you're set up for the closed captioning. So, once you've clicked there, I want you to go to the left menu edge, and I want you to click on the third item under listings, which is Playback and Performance. When you click on that, this window that opens has Captions as an option on the bottom section. Make sure that both of these are ticked on and then click Save. Once you've done that, we can back over here to the setting. Let's see, we've got the settings. We're going to go back over to the Creator Studio. Just backing up a moment. Okay, if I click on this, the icon again, you see this button next to my name. It says Creator Studio. Click on that. Wait for that to open. Then what you'll see is a list of all of your videos. When you click specifically on the video manager, it won't change it much, just a slight amount here, how it displays it. Okay, then what I'm going to do is go down and find a video where I know I have talking going on and I haven't done the closed captioning already. Let me go down further. I'm waiting a moment for the screen to come up here again. Okay, and I have a video that I want to use. So when I locate that video, I want to click the edit button just to the right of that video. When you do, that video is going to open. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go to this top menu above the video, go to the far right hand side and click on Subtitles / Closed Captioning, CC. When you click on that, it's going to bring up a tiny window and it says Set Video Language. So we're going to select English to put in there. And then I also, if I'm going to use this on a regular basis, would go ahead and set my default for the new uploads to be in English, unless I were speaking in multiple languages perhaps and used more than one, then I might not want to set the default, so I could select each time what language it's going to be set in. So I'm going to click Set Language. Once you've set the language, then what you're going to see here is you already have published English automatically. So we're going to click on that file. What you're going to find is that is a file, by the way. And so you're going to click on that and it's going to open text. Now, if it doesn't open right away, go ahead and push the play on the video to let it get started for a minute. Now I happen to know this one has music in the very beginning, so I'll give it a second here to run. And then here we go. So I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to click the English again and wait for a minute. I believe it's going to open it, and there it is. So now what we're actually seeing is a transcription created by YouTube for us based on listening to the voice in the video itself. Okay, so once we're here, often this needs corrections. It has no punctuation in it. Spellings of names are often wrong, and sometimes a wrong word choice is actually made here for you. So what we're going to do is go above the video and click on this edit button. And what you'll notice is on the left-hand side, it's going to put the attention in the very first box of text for the video. And the video is ready for you to start playing. If you click play, you will hear it start to talk and say exactly what is being said here. Now, on this particular one, the first 10 seconds of the video are this intro, and so there are no words, there's just some music. And now you'll see we're in this first section. So if there's anything I want to change here, I just click on it. And when I click and start to do a function, it pauses the video. I go ahead and make the change. In this case, it's just giving us an uppercase letter. And that's all we're going to change on that first line. So then we'll just go ahead and push play again on the video, and it automatically advances. So you're going to go through your entire video and ensure that each of these items are the setting that you would like, or the statement that you would like to it to say, making sure that there's really no typos or they've not selected the wrong word for what is actually being said. Once you go through the whole video like that, you can publish the edits. So publish the edits, and then we're going to move forward. And it brings us back to the page where we started for the subtitles closed captioning. Now what I want you to notice is we now have two files here added for the subtitling. This one says publishing, click to update. So we're just going to go ahead and click that. That's because we've just worked on it just now. It's going to finish it, and it did. Now you'll see we have two completed files. One is the automatic one. This is the one that YouTube made for us. And we have the one where we made all the corrections. And of course you would have done that all the way through. I only did the first line. So once you've done that, now we need to remove one of these. So we're going to remove the automatically generated one from YouTube. So you're going to click on it. And when you do, it's going to open it. And I want you to come to the top above the video, and I want you to click Unpublish. That's one of what you see there is a published file. And then we're going to delete the draft. And it's going to ask us again if we're sure, and yes, we're going to delete the draft because it's warning you that it's going to go away permanently and you won't be able to get it back. Now there's only one file left. This is the file that we edited, and we're ready to go. That's really how easy it is to add your closed captioning, and I will just show you by playing here now. Let me advance it here these few seconds. Oh, I don't have it turned on, so I need to click on the CC here on the video, and now you'll see it coming up. I hope you found some value in this training and that you are able to use this for yourself. I look forward to bringing you more trainings in the future. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me, because I know you could be anywhere you chose to be, and I appreciate your spending your time with me. Bye-bye now.